Hi, my name is Dennis. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Germany. So one big part of this exchange for me is the cultural exchange, because of course the cultures are very different, but I think not too different, because the people here in Kenya are very polite and very friendly. I have to say that I expected a little bit different, because I only know the Nigerian culture, which is I think even more exaggerating and even louder. But the Kenyan people are so friendly and so polite and often and really helpful. They are really interested in you. They want to know where you're from, what you are doing here in this beautiful country. And that's one major part I'm really looking forward to.
Okay, my name is Dr. Rukia. I'm in the Department of Languages, Literature and Linguistics. I teach Kiswahili. Kiswahili now is an international language. It's number 5 in the whole world. So make sure you all know Kiswahili. Come and learn Kiswahili from me.
My name is Marcelo. For a student taking BSc Biochemistry. I'm a student here. I love this environment. And I'm here to network.
Okay, I'm Stephen Kimazi, a student here in Pwani University. I like this place. This is our new administration. Whereas we have some offices here. It's a cool place, a nice place for the kids to learn. When everybody learns here in Pwani, they have to come to this place. In fact, it's a nice place. We enjoy free Wi-Fi. This place, I like it.